Welcome to another episode of Rebuilder 365, where we show the achievement of Governor Ikpeazu of Abia State, one project a day. On today's episode, we continue our projects on the Aba area, where Governor Ikpeazu has reconstructed another road, the Ihere Road. Like many roads in the Aba metropolis, the Ihere Road was in a state of total disrepair. It had been like this for over 20 years with no respite in sight.
This road was too bad. Plantain and banana were so bad. The road was so bad that people couldn't cross this road. Over years.
For over how many years them Nurudi Birina Ehereba Uzana Agayaga o mebiri mebie nke na enwedo tese tinye ya ọnụ maka oge ahụ keke anaghị agba ya onwedị moto na-agba ya mmiri na-adọ n'ụzọ too much enwe ebe a na-etinye ụkwụ mgbe ahụ anyị chi ịgafe anyị nwere ike ịrịcha fence anyị na-arịcha fence ndị mmadụ gafee before anyị na-eru ebe anyị na-aga.
The rebuilder, Governor Ikpeazu, came to the rescues, and today the story is different as the road has been commissioned for you.
This is a road that has defied all solutions since the past 60 years. But because we understand the importance of this road to the economy of Abia State, it falls squarely within our economic game plan, which is to build roads that will either encourage and facilitate access into our city or lead to our major markets.
Whoever knows the history of Aba and the roads in Aba will know that Aba roads are falling and begging for attention. God bless you for doing what you have done.
Today, we can see that Ihere Road is very much motorable. People can now move. And a bypass of Umuola, Ukebu, and Ihere has savaged the sufferings of our people within this environment. So as a resident of Ihere, number 6 where I live, I discovered that this road, as a singular road constructed by Governor, has done great in the annals of history. Kudos to His Excellency Governor Okezi Ikpeazu for tiring this road. I want to say that today, that Okezi will continue to live long for his people, because the road will stand the test of time, and the next 10 years or 15 to come, His Excellency and the people who reside in this area will not regret knowing His Excellency.
Ana m ekele nna anyị Excellency Governor Okezi Ikpeazu maka ọrụ ọma nke ọ rụrụ n'okporo ụzọ a. Ana m asị ka onye nwe anyị gọzie ya n'aha Jesus. Amen.
Like most roads in the Aba metropolis, Governor Ikpeazu's administration embarked on rehabilitation and construction of new roads within Aba metropolis to give the people a sense of belonging, as well as improve on roads infrastructure in the commercial town. Like most roads in Aba, the technology used in the reconstruction of Ihere Road is the cement rigid technology. Project 020, Ihere Road, Aba.